Okay, so welcome to this video. Today we'll be looking at lipids. Okay, so with me I have a tutorial sheet that has questions on lipids. So those are the important terms that we have to know in order to actually pass any assessment that you'll be doing, as long as it's under the topic what? Lipids. Okay, so this tutorial sheet has 10 questions. There are supplementary questions here, 4, and then the first questions here, there are 6. So we're going to look at all that, like how to draw the fatty acids, okay, that have been given in the shorthand formula, how to draw the structure of triglycerols and the like. We're going to look at that. How to draw structures for uh, triglycerides. Okay, how to draw structures for phospholipids, like question number 4 there. We're going to look at all that. Okay, so we start from question 1 there. How can we draw the fatty acids with the shorthand formula? Okay, so let's start with question 1. So the question says, draw the structure of the fatty acids with the following shorthand formulas. So these are the formulas here. Okay, we need to draw the structure for each of these fatty acids here. All right, so let's start. Draw the structure of the fatty acid with the following shorthand formulas. Okay, so when they say 14 here, they mean this fatty acid has 14 carbons, okay, and then they say full colony, and then they indicate 0. So this 0 here indicates that it has no double bonds, okay, it just has single bonds like that. But when they say 14 maybe, and then they say full colony, and then they put 2, and then they put semicolon like that, okay, and then they put numbers there, maybe 5 and 8. Here they mean it has 14 carbons, okay, and then it has 2 double bonds at position what? 5 and 8. Okay, so I was saying if you have something like 14 and then full colony 2 and then half colony and then 5,6, this simply means it has 14 carbons, okay? And then it has 2 double bonds at position 5 and position what? 6. All right. So even this one here, this notation that you are seeing there, it's very easy, okay? When they say omega 3,6, okay, and then 18.2. So they mean this is the fatty acid called omega, okay? It has 18 carbons, 2 double bonds, one at position 3, and then the other one at position what? 6. So that's what they mean. Okay, so now let's draw these structures, okay? Fast. All right, so we start with the first one. So the first one, they're just saying 14. Full colon is 0. So it just has 14, okay? It has 14 carbons, okay, and no double bonds. So the one which is here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is the structure of the first one, okay? We go to the second one. So the second one has said they have, okay, 18, 0. Okay, so we have OH there, and then O. So this is our carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this is the structure for 18 full colon what? 0. Right, so it's very simple, guys. So let's draw the other one. So the other one is 16 full colon 2 semicolon and then 5, 8. So this means we have 18, we have 16 carbons, okay, 2 double bonds at carbon 5 and what? 8. So what we are going to do is we're going to say OH and then O there. So this is the first carbon here. So 1 there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have 16. And then at the carbon 5, okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can continue like that. So at carbon number 5, Going into carbon number 6, we have a double bond. So 5 is here. So going into 6, we have a double bond. And then at carbon number 8, going into 9, we also have a double bond like that. So that will be the structure there. Right. So let's look at the other one there as well. Okay. So this one has 20. So we are going to say OH. Okay. And then oxygen like that. And then this is carbon number 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then you have your 20 there. So let's put the double bond. So the other double bond is at position number 8. So 8 going into 9, we're going to put a double bond. 11 going into 12, double bond. 14 going into 15, double bond. So this structure here is the structure for this one here. All right, so now let's draw part 5 there. So part 5 has been given as W 3,6 and then 18 full colony 2. So this simply means this here is an acid. I mean, it's a fatty acid that has 18 carbons, okay, and it has 2 double bonds at position number what? 3 and 6. Okay, so the first thing to always draw is the carboxyl group. So we're going to draw C. Okay, double bonded to the oxygen, single bonded to OH here. And then now this here is my carbon number 1. So I have to draw now a chain of other 17 carbons because we said this one has 18. So this is carbon number 1. So I'll say 2, okay, 3, 4, okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so you can also label them if you want. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and then 18. So you can see we have 18 carbons there. But we were told at carbon number 3 and 6, there are double bonds. Okay, so this is carbon number 1, 2, 3. So it means here there's a double bond like that. Okay, at carbon number 3. Right, and then also at carbon number 6, so this is 5, 6, so 6 is there. So here, there's also a double bond like that. Okay, so that is going to be the structure for the amino acid on part 5 there. Okay, for the other one there down, okay, they're saying it is W369, okay, and then it has 18 carbons and 3 double bonds like that. Okay, so I can just use this same one here to draw that. So I'm just going to erase the extra 2 hydrogens like that. Okay, so that I just have 16. And then they said there are double bonds at 3, 6, and 9. So this is a double bond on 3, double bond on 6. Okay, and then the other one is at 9. So this is 8 and then 9. So there's a double bond there. So this guy here, okay, will be the fatty acid for this guy here. All right, so we're done with drawing the fatty acids. I hope you've known now how to draw them. So it's very easy. Okay, just have to know the position of a double bond in case it's unsaturated. It's unsaturated fatty acid. Okay, if it's saturated, then there will be no double bonds. All right, so thank you so much for watching. This has been Tutor Post Solutions. Until next time, always there for you. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like to access the full paper, you can find it at discretelearning.com. Also, if you're having any challenges with any pre-med course or NS course, you're free to contact us and register for our lessons so that we can help you. Okay, so these are the courses that we offer here, both semester 1 and semester 2. So there's biology, physics, chemistry, and mathematics. You can subscribe for any course that is giving you challenges. Okay, so for any course that you subscribe for, you're going to be accessing full videos for tutorial sheet where we're explaining step by step. You're going to be accessing full solutions to the assignments, okay, full past paper quizzes, full past paper tests, final exam papers. Okay, we have a lot that have been solved on our website, and also you're allowed to consult from us. So maybe you're watching any recorded video, okay, that we made, and then you do not understand a certain concept, you are free to reach out and ask, okay, and then we'll be able to explain it in a way that you understand. So you can contact us on all these numbers, okay. To access all these for any of these courses here, simply visit and find them at what? discretelearning.com. All right, and then a bonus is that also when you subscribe, okay, we are going to be part of our live classes. So we have live classes on Zoom, okay, during the week, and we interact with the students so that we can just get what they're having challenges with, and they will know how to help them better. Okay, so for example, for this course, okay, we have a tutorial manual here that has a lot of questions on different topics, but we've actually solved all the questions in this tutorial manual. So as you can see, we have this tutorial sheet on amino acids, peptides. We solved all the questions here step by step. You can find them on the website. Proteins, again, we solved all these questions. Enzymes, we solved. There was also this assignment on enzyme kinematics. Okay, or a tutorial sheet. We solved all these questions here. You can access them on the website. Carbohydrates, we showed how to draw structures. Okay, different structures like for disaccharides, for monosaccharides. Yeah, we did all this part, how to draw the oligosaccharides. So the videos are there on the website. We also did questions on nucleotides and nucleic acid. You can access them on the website. Yeah, that. And then the last tutorial that we did for this course was lipids. So lipids, there was these questions were drawing fatty acids and the structures. So we solved all these questions, and the videos are there to help you prepare for your assessment. So it might be a quiz, might be a test, it might be the final exam. You have your answer there if you're having challenges with this course. Okay, you can watch them and then you'll be able to pass. And you also be able to access past papers. Okay, just like I said here, there are a lot of past papers on the website. So that means quizzes, tests, final exam past papers. You can be watching those to know what to concentrate on and what to not concentrate on. All right, so now for those who have actually never seen our website, let me just show you. So you come to Chrome here, either on your phone, your PC, or even your tablet, and then you type in discretelearning.com. Okay, type in discretelearning.com. So you can see there the discretelearning.com. And then just go to the same website. So if you do not have an account, it will ask you to create an account. So you just put your email, you set your password and your name, you select your university, blah, blah, blah. You create the account. And then once you log in now, you will see something like this. Okay, so these are the courses there for those who are doing first year Premed or NS at university. So there's math, there's chemistry, there's physics, there's biology. So you can subscribe for any course that is giving you what? Challenges. Okay, so for example, those tutorial sheets were for second semester Apex. So I'll subscribe for this course, chemistry. So once you subscribe, you can open it. So you can see here there are different folders. So if you are from any other university, okay, that is not Apex, you go in the general chemistry folder to find all the things that you need. Okay, if you're from Apex first semester, you go here, you find everything that you need. If you're from Apex second semester, you go here. So let me open the Apex second semester. Okay, so once you open that folder, you see that we're going to have topic lessons. So you can watch the videos or topics explaining clearly the concept. There are some summarized notes here that you can read, and then there are tutorial sheets there and assignments, and then here there are past quiz, tests, and exam papers. Okay, so for example, if I go in the past paper folder there, you see that there are going to be a lot of past papers. So video solutions, and you can use them to prepare for what? For your assessments. Okay, so you can see here there's some final exam papers there. There's some test papers. Okay, there's some quizzes, and all these videos are available there to actually just make it simple for you to pass. So 2026 quiz 1 biochemistry was already solved. It is there, and all the other years, and more videos will be uploaded here just to support you guys. Okay, and then if I go back to the tutorial sheet folder here, open the tutorial sheets, okay, and assignments, you see that I'm going to have biochemistry tutorial sheet here, organic chemistry tutorial sheet. So it depends with which one you start with. So if you started with biochemistry, just go here. you started organic chemistry, just go there. So if I go in biochemistry tutorial sheets here, okay, you're going to see that all the tutorial sheets are there. So tutorial sheet 1, proteins, enzymes and kinematics, carbohydrates, nucleotides, fatty acids, all these are there. So if, for example, I open proteins here, you're going to see that the videos are going to be there. Okay, so you can watch these at your own time, clearly explaining all the concepts there. Okay, so if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe um, in the comfort of your home. Okay, so the subscription is automatic. So just check the link in the description here. Okay, it has a video registration guide that will guide you on how you can register and access all these at your own time. You don't even need us. Okay, so if you want to contact me anyway, you can contact me on 0779 96 40 and then 10. So that is Tutor Poul Solutions. Okay, so make sure you subscribe for the course that you're having challenges with. If it is math, subscribe for math. If it is chemistry, subscribe for chemistry. If it is physics, subscribe for physics. If it's biology, subscribe for biology. And we are going to help you. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. This has been Tutor Poul Solutions. Until next time, always there for you.